Welcome back to my channel Cooking Addiction. Today let's prepare golden fried prawns. So I've taken 16 jumbo prawns here which I've cleaned. To this you add salt, red chili powder, black pepper powder, ginger garlic paste and lemon juice. Mix and marinate it for 30 minutes. To make the seasoned flour, in a bowl, take refined flour, add salt, black pepper powder and red chili powder and mix it. Crack 2 eggs in a bowl and beat it. And finally, for the coating, take some breadcrumbs in a bowl. Once the prawns are nicely marinated, take each prawn and coat it with the seasoned flour on all the sides and keep the tail portion out of the coating. Then dip it in the beaten eggs and finally coat it with the breadcrumbs on all the sides. Heat oil in a vessel, and once the oil is hot enough, add the prawns one by one and fry it for around 2 to 3 minutes till it gets a nice crispy golden color coating on the outside. You can serve this hot as a starter with tartar sauce. If you like this recipe, please do hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you.